Ever cleaned your computer and made things worse? Don't worry, you're not alone. First mistake, using the wrong tools. Forget kitchen rags and household spray cleaners. Grab a microfiber cloth, a can of compressed air, and maybe a small brush instead. Second mistake, cleaning while the PC is plugged in. Always shut down and unplug your computer. Safety first, folks. Mistake number 3, spraying cleaner directly onto your computer. Liquid and electronics are frenemies at best. Spray onto your cloth, never the device. Fourth, ignoring the fans and vents. Out of sight, out of mind, right? Not here. Dusty fans can overheat your PC. Use short bursts of compressed air to clear them out. Fifth, using a vacuum cleaner. Tempting, but vacuums can create static and damage your PC's delicate bits. Stick to brushes and air. Bonus mistake, forgetting to ground yourself. Static electricity can zap your components. Touch something metal before you dive in. And finally, don't rush. Take your time, one careful step at a time keeps your PC safe and dust-free. Remember, a clean PC is a happy, healthy PC, and avoiding these slip-ups saves you a world of headaches down the line. Got questions or cleaning tips of your own? Drop them in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for more tech tips. Your computer will thank you.